everybody, this is August 13th, 1996, and we are videotaping the condition of the 1992 Lamborghini Diablo. It's going into George Evans tomorrow, and I just want to show that the car is absolutely perfect, beautiful shape. This is the driver's side wheel. Nice thing about the wheels, they're all perfect on this car. No curbing, no scratches, absolutely mint. Same with the rear wheels, no curbing, 100% scratch free. And the same with the passenger side. Perfect wheels in every way. And the same with the wheel on the rear passenger side. The condition of the paint is absolutely spotless. A few small stone chips up front, which we'll look at in a second. And the only blemish back here is a very small scratch in the area right here. And that looks... There isn't a blemish on the interior. Both thresholds are dent free. This is the driver's right now. Seats are absolutely mint. Not a tear, not a scratch, not a blemish on them. This is the entire interior, including the headliner up above. The dealer had reversed wires, so that's fixed. We also put in a new light module so that the light dimmers work now. And of course, with my luck, the car needs a clutch. So this beautiful engine is coming out, and hopefully we'll have it back in a week or so. The front compartment is equally clean. And that's it. Should have the car back in a week or so. Now let's go see Pari's new car. What do you got now here, Par?
95 Neon.
95 Neon.
My first brand new car.
Yeah, what color is it?
Black, I'm sorry.
That's alright. Brand new.
Yeah.
That's right, you just got it. Just got it today. It's a new one. Well, here we are back at George's place. And as you can see, the engine is out. Discovered a couple of small problems, but it's in the capable hands of George now. Same kind of video we shot on the Countach. Owned 2 Lamborghinis and pulled 2 engines. And here we are, totally empty. By the Italian happening, it should look new. And George discovered a defect on the front spoiler we didn't know was there. This area right here has been damaged and it's flat. So at some point we'll get that fixed. Have a nice weekend, George. Say hi to Chris.
Yep, you too.
We'll see you in a week or so.